Welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Today we are going to make a beef stew. So I have here a beef stew cut meat already, and I am going to sear it. So before that, we need to put some salt and pepper in it to season it a little bit. Put some salt in there, and we have here pepper. There you go. And then just simply mix it. So we'll mix it and sear it. You can put garlic, other things in it, but I will saute the garlic later, so that would be fine. Okay, there you go. And then mix. Okay, next we need to sear the marinated beef. So we're gonna add a little bit of oil in here. And let's start searing it. Just let it brown, both sides. Okay, this is done. It's already brown. Let's take first batch, then we'll do the second batch. Let's turn it on the other side. Sear our potato. I put I put pepper and a little bit of salt in it. We want to brown it as well over here. Then we'll add it later when it's almost done. Okay, now we're going to saute our spices. We have garlic here, ginger, and shallots. Okay, now we are going to add back our seared beef into our spices there. Let's cover it. Alright, and then let's put the seasoning. let it boil first. Once it starts boiling, we'll simmer it to low heat for about 30 to 45 minutes. Okay? Let it boil first before we turn down the heat. Alright, after 45 minutes, let's check our meat if it's already tender. If it's not, then we can always put, yeah, that's tender right there. See that? That's already tender. Okay. I think we're gonna leave for another 20 minutes. It's tender, but not as tender as I want it to be. So another 20 minutes. Alright, let's add our carrots, potatoes, and banana in here. Right on top. I want to put it in to soak in the flavor in here. And then we'll put, I would like to add the tomato sauce later. And then after that, we will add the tomato sauce. Okay, now we're gonna add our egg. This is already a hard-boiled egg. I want to drop it in for a couple of minutes to absorb the taste. We'll take it out and then we'll arrange it later. So I'm gonna add also the greens. Instead of bok choy, I decided to use broccoli. So let's add the broccoli on top because I want to take it out also and separate it. Alright, let's see. Okay, our vegetable is ready. So we want to take it out because we will arrange it also. We don't want it overcooked. Okay, so this is done. We then can start plating our beef stew. We are ready to plate our beef stew. Let's arrange first our vegetables and then we put the meat. So let's just do that one. Alright, so now we are going to arrange our eggs. Let's put the eggs. Here is our final beef stew. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone, and thank you all for watching.